Welcome back to my Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. If you're looking for the latest updates on Canadian immigration, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the state of the express entry pool as of October 2024. Please stay tuned as we break down what's been happening with the draws, the trends, and what it all means for your Canadian immigration journey. Let's get started. After a busy July and August, things slowed down a bit in September. Immigration Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, held just 3 express entry draws last month, focusing mainly on people already in Canada and those who speak French. Here's a quick look at the 3 express entry draws from September. September 9th, Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, 911 invitations, with a minimum score of 732. September 13th, French language candidates, 1,000 invitations, with a score of 446. September 19th, Canadian Experience Class, CEC, 4,000 invitations, with a score of 509. That's nearly 6,000 invitations in total. We've noticed a pattern over the last 3 months. IRCC is focusing on candidates who already have ties to Canada, like those in the PNP or CEC, and those who can speak French. Canada is sticking to its promise of welcoming more Francophones outside Quebec and giving priority to people already in the country. Now, let's compare the numbers from the past few months. July, over 25,000 invitations. August, around 10,000 invitations. September, just under 6,000 invitations. So, as you can see, the number of invitations is slowing down. But don't worry, things can change fast in the world of immigration. So, what do you think about these trends? Do you feel hopeful about your chances? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on your immigration journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel, and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you, see you in the next video, take care.